Fast, contactless, and personalized shopping is now available in stationary retail. Sounds like a dream? As a retailer, you can make this dream come true for your customers using a solution that is both technically lightweight and affordable, and that is designed in a way that you and your staff can roll out within a few days. The Intelligent Shopping Assistant by Nomitri. We have developed a simple plug-and-play self-checkout solution for stationary retail to integrate directly into your app. All you need to do: attach a simple smartphone mount onto your existing shopping carts. No cameras, no sensors, no cloud infrastructure, no additional local servers, because we bring visual intelligence directly to your customers' smartphones. We at Nomitri develop highly innovative solutions and products in the field of embedded visual AI to make AI technology more privacy-preserving, low-cost, and energy-efficient. Instead of running artificial neural networks several gigabytes in size on cloud servers, our experts design highly compressed AI models of sizes even below 1 megabyte, which enable the execution of AI applications directly on mobile devices. We equip smartphones and edge devices with high-performing visual intelligence that is always available, no matter if your device is online or offline. You and your customers don't have to worry about data privacy, since video data never leaves the device. Thanks to the app's visual intelligence, your customers can do their shopping autonomously, contactless, and without waiting times. Simultaneously, our smart assistant acts like a personal cashier for your customer's journey through your store and provides intelligent loss prevention functions. It's as if you were there yourself and could personally respond to your customers' wishes, because our data-driven analysis and personalization ensures better communication with your customer in real time. In addition, you automatically profit from future hardware updates by smartphone manufacturers. Fast, personal, and data-driven. This is how the future of stationary retail looks like with Nomitri, your partner in visual intelligence. Nomitri, embedded visual AI.